Hello viewers, how are you? This is Asghar Ali with tips and tricks, and this is lecture on how to open YouTube in a country like Pakistan where it is banned. As you know viewers, YouTube is the most widely used website for education purpose especially. You can watch movies and you can get entertainment lectures and many other things, but this is especially designed for education purpose, and this is banned in Pakistan. So I will guide you how to open this website in Pakistan. For this purpose I will go on Google Chrome, and from here I write Google. You should have installed Google Chrome as your browser and not any other browser. This is Google Chrome, and here from here you can watch this icon. This icon is of ZenMate, which is a plugin to change your proxy setting. And for this purpose, when you change your proxy setting, you can open YouTube very easily. And now I am disabling this plugin from here, and now I will guide you how to install this plugin ZenMate. You should write ZenMate in Google search engine bar, and as you know, here are options for ZenMate. Click on ZenMate download. A very easy process will start to download this uh, plugin, as I have already installed this plugin in my Google Chrome. So it will not guide you through simple way of installing step by step installing process, as I have already installed this plugin. But you only have to give email address and password to get this software attached to your browser Google Chrome. And when this process completes, it will bring an icon, attach an icon here, and it will show. I click again. This is process of ZenMate. Here I have already installed this plugin. So before this window screen, uh, a window will come, a dialog box will open where you will have to write your email address and password, and then this window will open, and here from here you will attach to Chrome. When you click here, this uh, plugin will attach here on your Google Chrome uh, title bar, and when it is attached, then only we have to enable it. In some cases it is already enabled. I click here and then I click here to enable this. Now I have to change proxy, as here Pakistan flag is shown. This means uh, this website will be downloaded, will be opened in Pakistan, but here it is banned. So I will change location other than Pakistan. I click here. Here New York, Hong Kong, and Germany, and Switzerland, and United Kingdom. Where you should keep in mind, you should choose only United States or United Kingdom, because you can easily understand English other than your mother tongue, but you will not be familiar with Hong Kong or Germany or Switzerland languages of these countries. So I select London, and here London is current my proxy setting. So now this is active and I am with proxy setting of United Kingdom. Now if I want to open YouTube, I just write here YouTube. I click here and YouTube is opened very easily. This is the simplest way to open YouTube in your country. I hope you will enjoy this lecture much. Thank you very much. Goodbye.